Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Miss Rabbit today. First, let's draw the shape of Miss Rabbit's face. Then, the shape of her long two ears. Her eyes with lashes. Let's draw her nose. Next, her cheek. Her lip. Let's draw the shape of Miss Rabbit's body. Look, she opened her eyes for you. Miss Rabbit is happy to see you. I'm drawing her arms and hands. Next, her cute tail. Lastly, her legs and shoes. Join me as we add color to Miss Rabbit together. Let's add a pale cream color on her long ears. A pale cream color as well on her face. Miss Rabbit appears to be a courteous and kind individual. I'd like to be friends with her. Miss Rabbit has an identical twin sister. Did you know that? You heard correctly. Mummy Rabbit is her name. A pale pink color on her cheek, a pink color on her nose, a yellow color on her dress. Miss Rabbit has lots of jobs. It's possible that she puts work above all else. Do you like her yellow dress too? It's gorgeous! A pale cream color on her arms, hands, tail and legs. And a black color on her shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.